I thought I would do a quick video and show you how to use the Ace Pro as a dash cam. So you get a couple of options. You can use it with or without the overlays for your speed and location and things like that. Um, you can set it up on a loop recording if you want to use it as a dash cam. And in Dashcam mode, it's just going to continuously record over that same 30-minute section, so you never run out of disk space. Now, if you want, I have a mode I call vacation mode. In Dashcam mode, if you've got an auxiliary port on your vehicle, when you turn on the key, it's going to automatically turn on the camera and start recording in loop mode. You can turn loop mode off. So what I call vacation mode is if you just want to kind of document where you're going, where you've been, how your trip went, or whatever, you can get on a cigarette lighter, you can just plug it into the auxiliary port, and when you plug it in, it's going to automatically turn on and record, but not in loop mode. So you have to be conscious of your disk space, but you could record your vacation that way. Now, they do make power sources for USB so that you can just plug it in and just flip a switch to turn it on, and that's certainly a decent option. But the cheapest option is just to plug in the power port, auxiliary port, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it, and that's going to automatically turn on the camera and start recording. Your choice to have loop mode on or off. If you're using it in loop mode, there is a way to flag a section of that video and save it so that, say, I don't know, you have a crash or whatever, like a standard dash cam, you can go back and reference that piece and still continue to use it in the loop mode. But I'll throw the overlays on the screen so you can see what we're doing. We had to go out for a couple of things, and I'm using the audio from my phone. I'm using this little noise canceling headset. Uh, the camera, the Ace Pro, is facing the front, and with it facing the front, I'm pretty sure that it's going to pick up more noise than I'd rather have in here. But for documenting a vacation or something like that, it's certainly probably decent enough so that you'd know where you were. Hey, there's the Empire State Building, or hey, there's a virtual ritual salon, or here we're going by the museum. So whatever. But get my hand out of the way. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Got the overlays on the screen. You can see how fast I'm going. You got a bunch of different options on there. And you have job option for USA and for metrics. So whatever country you live in, I think you'll find an option that suits you. It'll show your route. I don't know if it'll work with some of the uh, dash cam programs. There are a few out there that if you put them on a computer, you can actually see your route on a map overlay. You can go to that point on the map, and in a longer video that would kind of be helpful because you wouldn't have to even really say anything. You could just trace your route out where there was a known object and click on that piece on the along your trip. Hey, and then think about this, but from the other phone here, I can actually do the zoom feature. So there's always the option if you've got some little something that you want to see a little bit closer, you can use the zoom. And this is after sunset here. Anyway, there's back without the zoom. And then I don't know if you can see it, there's a little flag there if you want to flag something.
All right, that was just a quick overview of what could be done with the camera. I didn't go into the details of it because if you're not interested, that would just be super boring and make the video longer than it needed to be. if you're interested to see how to do that or how to go into loop recording, it's in the settings or on the front screen for the two different places for charging and recording or just charging. So if you want to see that, put it in the comments and I'll make a video specifically on how to do that. I just wanted to let people know it could be done. Think about it. If you decide you want to know how to do that, let me know. I'll make another video. For now, I'm going to throw a couple of videos up over here. I'll catch you in one of those or catch you down the road.